Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect a Bluetooth sound device with Epson EF-100B. And to do this, first we'll need to open our settings, and it's the button on the left side of your remote. It has three lines on it. Click on it and go for the settings, enter sound, then there's a Bluetooth. Here we can search for Bluetooth device, and now it would be time to enter pairing mode on our Bluetooth device. I'm gonna do it right here. Now we're gonna search for a Bluetooth device. And here's the headphones that I wanted to connect. And we successfully connected our Bluetooth device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.